Yeah, Alfred, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO, just sending you over that video about how to improve your online revenue. So, just taking a look at your website, you have, of course, the header, which you have your name and all the different services and what you do. And then you have your number up here. What I would advise is having a click to call right here, just so people can just click it, get in contact with you, make it a little quicker, and people will be more likely to do that. But going through your website, got a bunch of stuff. You have your click to call here, which is awesome. But yeah, putting it right up top would also help, just so people are like, all right, they're already interested, they'll call right away. And then just going through more, this is very a lot of good information, very more of a blog situation than about the different services. You got a lot of content, a lot of stuff explaining exactly what you do, what it means, and all the questions that people would ask, which is awesome. And then, of course, all the different places you provide service for. So, just looking at your website, you do have a decent amount of content. I would say about 500, 600 words, which is pretty good. What Google is truly looking for is around 1,500 to 2,000 words. When they crawl your site, that's essentially what you're looking for. And I love the dog. Sorry, that just passed through. Um, Now, in those 15 to 2,000, they are looking for organic keywords, which are buyer intent words that people are putting in to look for your specific services that you provide. So let's take a look behind the scenes at what's happening with your website. The way we do that is with Ahrefs. So the two main things we're looking at is the UR rating and the DR rating. Which UR rating is the strength rating of your website, which is a pretty good 29. You are looking for about a 30 to 40 in each. So your strength is pretty good. Your domain is only an 8, which isn't terrible, but we do want to boost it up to the 29, of course, because you want the ratio of 1 to 1. Now, the way you build that up is with your backlinks and referring domains. So, what a backlink is any link from another person's site that leads back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a Wikipedia link would be an awful link because that's extremely spammy. However, a link from a hardwood flooring specialist, a blog from a hardwood floor specialist, would be awesome because that's relevant content to what you provide. Now, another important thing, as I said before, are those organic keywords or those buyer intent keywords that people are putting in to search for your specific service. So let's see what Google says your keywords are. So, of course, first thing that pops up, floor repair, which has 2.4K people searching it. However, this is very generic. It can be anyone in the United States searching for this. So the traffic may not be someone from Texas or from Austin. It may be someone all the way out in Jersey. So the traffic may not be right. Um, Tile Pros Austin grout repair, pretty good. Um, you are on the front page, not a very big word that people that are looking to get installed in. This would be more information. Still a really good keyword to have. It's just if you place it a little more, you can probably raise that position up, get that traffic up a little higher. Um, then keep going down. Tile pros, wood floor repair. Let's see what's one of the big keywords. There it is. Hardwood floor Austin. So as you can see, 500 people are looking a month for hardwood flooring Austin. They're typing it in. And you are right now on the third page of Google, which no one goes past the first page. So this third page is you're practically buried here. Um, I see you did move up a little bit, so that's awesome. But unfortunately, you're still all the way back. So that's why you're not really getting any traffic at a 500. You're getting one. So let's take a look at hardwood flooring Austin and what this keyword brings. So if we just type it in, hardwood flooring Austin. There we go. So first thing that pops up, of course, are your ads, are your pay-per-click. So the people that are paying to be on the front. And then, of course, you have your Google Map Hack, which it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of people will stop right here and pick one of these three. Now, then you have your organic rankings. So this is by strength of website. So your top one, Austin Hardwood Flooring. So let's take a look at what their website looks like. So pretty similar to yours. They don't have a click to call, but they do have a schedule now, which is pretty good. This click to call is always the best. And then just going through their website, they have a decent amount of content. They have a lot of stuff. They have their reviews, who they work with. So as you can see, not much, but if we take a look at the back end, we can see why they're ranking so well. So we put them in. They're beating you out a little bit in strength. They have a 32 rating, and then of course their trust is only a 4.8. They do have a lot of good backlinks, so that's why even though you have a lot of backlinks, they're still beating you because quality does beat quantity, as well as their keywords. So if we take a look at what their keywords are and what they're ranking for, Austin Hardwood Flooring Austin, Hardwood Floor Austin, Austin Hardwood Floors. And I know this is their name, however, it's still a keyword people search. So that's why you can see, since they're on the first page, they're getting a ton of traffic to their site through these words, through these keywords and buyer intent keywords. So if we're looking to beat them out, whoops, wrong one. There we are. So if we're looking to beat them out, your backlinks pretty good. Overall, your strength and your trust are pretty good. They would beat them out. It's just now your keywords. So the way you do that, you up that content. You want that 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website with those organic keywords put in, so Google sees that they're relevant, and then they put those as what you should rank for. So it's super important to get that content and those organic keywords in. Now, Alfred, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as always, if you can please leave some feedback, I'm always looking to perfect my craft. All right, you have a blessed rest of your day.